Hello everybody, Lady B here. I think this is take like 528. Let me tell you the story. I went down a few days ago to the pawn shop and looked at the video cameras that they had. Came home, did some research, and I decided on a particular one. I went down yesterday, told them to plug it in and charge the battery. I went back today and I tested this one out. It did okay, really good actually in the showroom, but in the showroom it was using the internal memory. And when I came home, well, I paid for it, of course, and I brought it home, and I have been trying and trying and trying to get the settings right, and I'm about ready to throw in the towel for tonight. But anyhow, I'm trying to do an update video on my elderberry plants. So I'll go through it again and we'll see what happens. Okay, this one over here, you can see the roots that's in the jar. You did not see me cut these because this was what was left of my bush after I got done out there that night because it was raining. So I waited a couple days and I went out and got them. And you will see as we move up this way that they are growing very well. I measured a while ago and that tallest one is 28.5 inches tall. So these other ones are still in water and they're doing pretty good. I'm going to meet Connie sometime this week for lunch and we're going to see if Mary can join us, but I'm going to give her some cuttings. That's why these are still in water. I'm going to take a few to her. And this one here looks kind of funky. It's got a growth clear out here, but I kept it that way because it also has a growth down here. And this one is actually starting roots. And the other little ones in here are also starting some ooh, almost broke it. Some foliage on it. This one has 3 and it's doing pretty good. Now the ones that are in soil are doing really amazing. This one has 3 in it. And this one has 3 in it. Doing really good. And this one has 2. They're kind of scrawny, but they were to begin with, but they've got some growth on the ends there. This one over here that doesn't look like it's doing very well because of some dryness here, but I'm going to leave it there and see what happens with it. And these over here are the ones that Vivian Ann gave me. These 3 I've got marked H1, H2, and H3. And this one was doing a lot better until a while ago. I kind of broke it. I've moved them so many times trying to get this video. This limb right here is broken, or these 2. And this one right here is broken. Right here. I could kick my own butt for doing that. I just had a feeling it was going to happen. But I'm going to let it grow because there's another little limb coming out from right here. I got to get used to this camera. But anyhow, these are the ones. Oh, I want to show you this one too. Look at the roots that are coming through. This is not one that had the honey water. I don't know if that made the difference, but I still got mad at myself for breaking it. Oh well. But anyhow, these are the ones that had honey water. This is H1. And here is 2. It's doing really good. And here's 3. Now I don't see any roots in any of those that are showing yet, but I'm sure they will. These are the ones that I put in the peat pots, and they are doing absolutely great. These are the ones in the back. And here's the ones in the front. When I do my updates, I'm going to try to show them to you in the same order. That's why I wrote front on there so I'd know which way was what. But we have had a little taste of spring. But the last couple of days it's been kind of chilly. It actually got down to about 25 last night. And it's supposed to tonight too. So I'm really afraid to put this foliage out while it's still a danger of frost. I think I'm going to send this video to Old Alabama Gardener and see what he thinks. I'm sure he'll probably agree with me to leave them inside for a while. And I might send the link to other people to see what they think also. But I have a funny feeling it will be unanimous to just leave them inside until the danger of frost is gone. And then I will plant them and see how they go. And I really hope I don't kill them once I get them outside. But I'm going to move the elderberry bush that I've got outside, the one I got the trimmings from. And I'm going to move it to a place that I have to look at it all the time, so I'll be sure to take care of it and to water it. And maybe I'll be lucky enough to get some elderberries off of it this year. But I've got a lot to fall back on here. But anyhow, Vivian, there are the 10 that you gave me. Let me put them back over here to show you what I've got. And I just hate it because I broke that one. Oh, I was going to show you here too. Here it is. Look right here, right there. Whoops, there it is. A little shoot coming out from right there. And there was another one. Oh, here it is. Another little shoot coming out from right there from the roots. So they're doing really good. But anyhow, Vivian, there they are. And I will hopefully keep them alive when I get them outside. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here and see if I can get this uploaded this time. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have played with the settings and played with the settings. But if I'm lucky enough to get these, or this video uploaded, and y'all let me know what you think about the video and the audio. I've got 30 days to make up my mind whether I want to keep it. Otherwise, it's going back to the pawn shop and it can be somebody else's problem. So I'm hoping that I've got the settings right and I can get it uploaded. And we'll talk to everybody later. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. And we'll talk to you later. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.